people, this time I couldn't wait to unboxing this awesome product. Some of you say, oh, I love gardening, but I don't have enough space and too much work, too much weed, and I don't have green thumbs like you. But you know what? I used to live in a big city, Jakarta City, Indonesia. There is no way I can do gardening. So it's not about the green thumbs, but it's about how we want to learn something new. And if I can do it, you can do it too. And as you can see here, the metal rice garden bed, 12 in 1 modular system. 1 rice garden bed, 12 possibilities. Has 12 different configurations with multiple shapes and sizes. This raised garden bed color is ivory, but you can choose also there's another colors, green and gray. So this OLLE raised garden bed will be the best solution for you. Alright, now time to unboxing. OLLE metal raised garden bed, easy to assemble, waterproof, heat reflective, perfect for vegetable or flower growing. The kit includes 12 panels, 4 corners, 4 panels 20 inch and 4 panels 16 inch. So before you're doing this, guys, make sure you wear gloves and shoes for your safety. This is the 12 panels. Going to choose options number 1. Option number 1 is 4 corner. Step 1, lay out the corners and panels. Remove the protective films. So this is gonna be 2 curves out there on the corner, 1 small, and at the side is 2 long one and 1 short one. Same thing out there, also same out there at the other side, 2 longs and 1 small. This one at the outside. Wash it inside like this. Alright, so this is the last piece, guys. You need to blend it a bit. Actually, I'm gonna put this one first. I'm so impressed, guys, how big this raised garden bed turned out. now ready to put at the position that I want. Here's the position that I want, guys. It's in the middle between my garden, the side of my garden, but it's in the middle, the position. We'll have sunlight at least 8 hours a day, and I still can see it from my window kitchen. The first thing, for the base, I will put the cardboard at the very bottoms, and then branches, and then some newspapers, and then raised garden bed soil. And I will plant these strawberry plants from my wonderful neighbors. This OLLE raised garden bed looks so elegant. As I mentioned earlier, they have ivory colors like mine, and green and gray too. I will put all of the information and the link of the product at the description box. I love so much my OLLE Garden beds. I am very recommended because it's inexpensive and easy to assemble. I will give 5 stars for OLLE Gardens. Thanks so much again to OLLE Garden beds to sending these awesome products. I love it so much. I will definitely keep update to you this OLLE raised garden bed and this beauty, these strawberry plants. I cannot wait to harvest them soon. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching, and I hope I will see you soon, very soon. Sending big love from Indiana.